So now we're going to put a shirt button back, and this can be for any kind of outerwear garment. So I'm using a different colour thread simply so that it shows up. You can do that, or you can use the same colour. It really depends on the look that you want. But I'm going to attach my button, and I'm going to use these kind of just ordinary stitches to attach that, and I'm going to use a crisscross because they tend to be a little bit stronger, but you'll see that all the machine ones tend to be across, and I think I've done a lot of repairs on these because they're all crisscrosses. So tends to be that way, but anyway, crisscrosses are generally stronger. I won't be doing as many stitches as I would normally do, but I would suggest doing this about 4 or 5 times, making sure that you keep the tension quite loose, not too loose, but a little bit loose, because when you want to finish off, you want to wrap your thread around there. That allows you to get a bit of wobble in the button. It's a bit of give. It also allows the fabrics to lie flat, and then you can finish off by taking your needle through that shank that you've created, pass your needle through that loop, and then back through to the other side. Just for good measure, you can do a few more back stitches and loops and things just to finish it off. And there you go. That's your button.